However, tonight, just a couple of hours away, though, we are keeping our eyes on a potential second round of severe weather, Scott.
That's right. We're dealing with this round possibly for us going into the evening hours, into the overnight hours as well, and then even more thunderstorm activity in the forecast on Thursday. Now, looking at the radar right now, we do have some thunderstorms, not necessarily in North Texas, but off towards our north and west. That's where the severe weather holds on right now. Putting the radar in motion, you're able to see that a lot of this activity is traveling its way southwest to northeast. Some of these storms now turning a little bit more easterly. We are seeing, though, some pockets of some moderate to heavier rain just now pushing its way to near the Colony, to near Frisco, also to near Allen. So dealing with maybe a couple of lightning strikes with that and just quick bursts of rain as this is moving south to north pretty quickly. But from there, we turn our attention off towards the west-northwest. A lot of lightning with these storms that have been pushing through. Our CBS 11 storm chaser Jason McLaughlin out right now, and you're able to see the dark skies. This is well out closer towards the Olney area near Archer County. So the darker skies have been going on. At some point, we were able to see some lowering happening. Looks like the frame was freezing there just a little bit as the cell signal is out there. Not great, but on that left-hand side, you can definitely see that darker sky as those storms, those severe storms, are continuing to move through parts of Archer County and then also off to the northeast. Coming back to the maps, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning for the far north sides of Jack County, northwest sides of Jack County until 5 o'clock. A lot of lightning with these storms as they're moving east and then to the east-northeast. But widening out the view again across North Texas, not a whole lot happening down through parts of Hood County, also stretching down to near Erath County, seeing a little bit of light rain developing. But I'm going to watch the radar as we go into the evening hours. We have the dry line out to the west, some leftover outflow boundaries from the storms yesterday for additional storms to develop along today. So into the evening hours, here's the future sky forecast. Between about 5 to 6 o'clock, could start to see a complex of storms come together that does include the north sides of the Metroplex, stretching back down to near Palo Pinto County, up to near Durant, Oklahoma. That coming together, and then a squall line developing into the 8-9 o'clock period and working south and east. The biggest concern when that happens are winds gusting up to 60 to 70 miles per hour, and maybe on that leading edge, a quick little tornado, little gust, happening. So we'll watch that as we go into the evening hours and even overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, still some heavier rain around. So the concerns that we talked about tonight and overnight, high wind threat, flooding threat as well is a concern, and then the hail threat, medium, maybe quarter-size hail, maybe up to golf ball-size hail. Tornado threat not completely zero, but it is low. That enhanced risk of severe storms includes all of North Texas, and that's through the remainder of the afternoon to then the evening hours. Severe thunderstorm watch, all the counties indicated in yellow, remains in effect until 8. And then as we go into tomorrow, another round of storms moving north to south in our midday, getting closer towards the Metroplex. So as that moves through, we have the potential flooding again. So that's why this flash flood watch remains in effect until 7 o'clock tomorrow. All the counties indicated in green, and the 7-day forecast quickly shows that we finally start to dry out by Sunday. 83 degrees and mostly sunny skies.